Welcome to the Future of Finances, XRP. 2012, XRP is born. Three tech wizards, Jed McCaleb, Arthur Britto, and David Schwartz, create XRP and the XRP ledger, XRPL. Think of it as a super-fast, low-cost system for sending money across the world, like a turbocharged version of slow bank transfers. No mining needed, unlike Bitcoin. 2013, XRP hits the scene. XRP launches with 100 billion coins. The project starts as OpenCoin, then becomes Ripple Labs, now Ripple. The XRP ledger is the tech network, separate from the company. It's all about making payments quick and cheap. Price? Almost nothing yet. 2014, banks take notice. Ripple starts teaming up with banks to use XRP for international money transfers. It's like XRP is pitching itself as the future of global payments. 2015 to 2016, still flying under the radar. XRP's price is super low, $0.01 in 2015, then $0.006 in 2016. Not many know about it, but Ripple's RippleNet platform, which uses XRP, starts catching banks' eyes. Spring 2017, XRP wakes up. XRP's price climbs to 25 cents by May. Crypto is getting hot, and people are starting to notice XRP's potential. December 2017, locking up supply. Ripple locks 55 billion XRP in escrow to control how much is out there and build trust. This shows they're serious about playing fair. Late 2017 to January 2018, XRP skyrockets. XRP hits an all-time high of $3.84. The crypto market is booming, and Ripple's bank partnerships get everyone excited. XRP is the talk of the town. 2018, crypto winter hits. The crypto market crashes, and XRP drops to 17 cents by July. Ouch. But Ripple keeps working with banks to keep XRP alive. 2019, testing in Asia. Japan and South Korea try XRP for cross-border payments. Price stays under 50 cents. Ripple and others donate $6.5 million to the XRP Ledger Foundation to help developers build cool stuff on the network. November or December 2020, roller coaster ride. XRP rises to 61 cents, but trouble hits. The US SEC sues Ripple, claiming XRP sales broke securities laws. Exchanges pause XRP trading, and the price tanks to 21 cents. Tough times. March-April 2021, bouncing back. Ripple buys 40% of Tranglo, a payment company in Malaysia, to boost XRP in Asia. XRP climbs to $1.90 as the crypto market recovers and Ripple fights the SEC lawsuit. By April, it settles at $1.39. Ripple's CEO says the lawsuit is going well, giving investors hope. 2022, tough year, new tricks. XRP stays low at 38 cents as the crypto market struggles. But in November, the XRP ledger adds NFT support, showing it's more than just payments. January 2023, big legal win. XRP starts at 30 cents but rises after a judge rules XRP isn't a security for regular sales, just for some Ripple sales to big investors. This is huge. XRP's price jumps, and it stays in the top 10 cryptocurrencies. 2024, XRP levels up. Ripple upgrades the XRP ledger to handle big transactions faster. Big investors like Bitwise and Canary Capital file for XRP ETFs, exchange-traded funds, showing Wall Street loves XRP. In December, Ripple launches RLUSD, a stablecoin tied to the US dollar, on the XRP ledger. XRP hits $2.86. Post-USD election 2024, XRP goes wild. After the election, XRP surges 600% to $3.39 by January 2025. Why? People expect crypto-friendly laws, and XRP is riding the wave. January 2025, holding strong. XRP trades at $2.42, down from its peak but still solid. Ripple and the SEC agree to end the lawsuit, clearing the air. What's next? Some experts say XRP could hit $5 to $10 by the end of 2025. With banks using RippleNet, the lawsuit wrapping up, and potential ETF approvals, XRP's future looks bright for fast, cheap global payments. That's it for today, ninjas. Stay sharp, keep learning, and join the XRP revolution. Hit that like button, subscribe,